Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of HTML and CSS complete course. So in this video we're going to talk about the important attribute in CSS. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So today we are going to learn the CSS hack. So first we need to learn the priority level of a CSS and see how it works. So the first we can select by specifying the element name like h1, and inside the parentheses we can specify the type of color or style we want to add to our element. And the second one we can use the class name. The third one we can use the ID, and the fourth we can use the inline CSS style, as you can see on the screen. But the priority comes to the last one first. So as you can see, the most priority comes for inline CSS, the second for ID, the third for class, and the last one is going to be given for element if you specify the element's name in CSS. And now let's jump over to the code. So here I have a title, which is Coding with Rohani, the title of my webpage. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the style by using four types. First, I'm going to use by using h1 element, the second the class name, the ID name, and after that I'm going to use the inline CSS for this. So first I'm going to use that, and let me add h1, and here I'm going to specify the color, and I'm going to add red. Let's save this, and now let's check. And as you can see, it takes the red color. And now I'm going to specify the class name, which is title. Let me copy this, and here I'm going to use the class name, and let's add the color blue. Now let's save this and let's refresh. And as you can see, the element priority is less than class priority. So if I use the ID, color green, and now let's refresh this. As you can see, and the ID priority is more than class, so that's why it ignores the class, and element it specify the ID. And now let's jump over to the inline CSS. So if we add inline CSS, so style, and here we're going to specify the color black. Let's save this, and now let's refresh the page. As you can see, so the inline CSS priority is more than class, element, and ID. So if you want to give the important, whether it's element, class, or ID, you can easily specify them by using the importance. So for adding important, you can just add the exclamation mark and write the important right here, and add semicolon at the end. Now let's save this, and it will take the blue color. As you can see, you can add some importance to the element. If you want to add any style to the element, by using the important property, you can bring the priority of a level at the top of any other elements, and the important will help you if you don't want to add any changes at that element. So that's it. Hope you understand. Make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them.